first time since 1973 that a sitting TD contested a presidential election. It's the first time in the history of our Constitution that a sitting female TD has successfully contested a presidential election. And in accordance with the Presidential Elections Act, I have received formal communication from the Presidential Returning Officer confirming to me that he had, on the 25th of October, declared Catherine Connolly to have been elected President of Ireland. Members are also advised that, pursuant to Article 12.6 of Bunreacht na hÉireann, that the President-elect ceased to be a member of the Dáil on her election, and a vacancy now exists in the constituency of Galway West to be filled in accordance with law. President-elect Connolly is the first sitting TD since Erskine Childers in 1973 to be elected Uachtarán na hÉireann. And on behalf of the House, I wish the President-elect every success in her new role as Uachtarán. Agus Guím,